Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Hello. Hi. How are you guys? I hope so. You all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning pebble stone painting ideas. These are super incredible and most unique and very beautiful pebble painting ideas. You guys also do this activity at your homes. These are most unique and super amazing pebble painting ideas. These are super unique and incredible pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. So guys, hope so you enjoyed this video and you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these pebble painting ideas at your homes. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, very unique and super incredible pebble stone painting ideas for you guys. So guys, follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are super incredible and top trending pebble painting ideas. Follow for more details and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz guys.